I think that every plugin company has made a video at some point where they're talking about version 2.1 is now ready. Or here's what's new in version 58.7. Or how about let's have a walk through the latest release notes. And the video usually starts off with something like, we're excited to support 6 new integrations, 4 workflow improvements, and we've totally redesigned the settings page and we fixed 12 mega critical bugs. The awkward truth is that a lot of people watching for the first 10-20 seconds of that video really don't care. Of course, there will be some that do. But you know, whenever you find out about new features and you get this massive change log that shows you all of the bugs or things that have been fixed, are you really expecting people to read through all of them or even want to know about them? And again, let me correct myself, because maybe a lot of people will want to know about them. But quite frankly, I only want to know about the things that matter to me and my business and my clients. You see, the problem isn't that people aren't invested in your plugin. It's assuming that they're going to be invested in everything you did for version 4.8. They're not going to care about this plugin now has a brand new webhook that integrates or connects to a filter. No, they just want to know, is this new update on the plugin going to make my life easier? Is it going to save me time? Can I now remove other plugins that I was using? They're thinking about their world, not your world. Let me give you a scenario. You get an email or you watch a video that says version 4.8 now introduces scheduled reporting with PDFs. That's okay. That makes sense. A lot of people are going to find that useful. But what if another email or there was another video came out and it instead said something like this? If you've ever spent Friday afternoon manually creating reports for your clients, this latest update is going to give you your Fridays back. Oh, hold on a second. It's the same thing but said differently. And I'm now talking about the fact that you're spending Fridays doing all this work and I'm going to give you your Friday back. Are your ears pricked open? Don't you want to know more? Whereas before, version 4.8 and scheduled reports and PDFs, you're going to go, well, that's kind of what I'm doing already. It doesn't have the same impact, because the reason the second one hits deeper is because it shows that you now, or what was said to me, understands the problem. You've given me a reason to care. It's the same feature. All that changed was the context and how it was delivered. And I honestly think that this is something a lot of companies kind of slightly get wrong a little bit, because they're too close to the product. They've invested so much time and effort that they really want to shout out about all the bugs that have been fixed and every little thing that's been added. But sometimes they miss the bigger picture about the end user, that all they care about is, how is this update or this plugin going to help me and my business? They only see one thing: what changes for me tomorrow. They don't care about what's changed in the code base. They just care about how this changes my life. They care that something that used to take 20 minutes of their time now takes 1. Or maybe a task that they hated doing has now disappeared. These are stories, not the version number. Workflow stories, things that make me think about what it's going to do for me and my business or the way I work with websites. These hit deep. These connect. These make us care. It shows that you care and understand as well, that you're on our level. Let me give you another example. You might get an update that says something like, we went and fixed an issue with Ajax requests on multilingual websites. Like what? That ain't going to mean much to a lot of people. But if you had said it differently like this, if you've ever had an order mysteriously disappear from your cart or your checkout on multilingual sites, then this update is going to fix that. Okay, so I still mentioned multilingual, and that might not mean much to some people, but for those of you that do have multilingual websites and you have had a problem with items disappearing, you now know that this update fixes that. Because there will be people out there that go, yep, that happened to me yesterday, it's happening to me today. They're going to be nodding, they're going to want to know more. And when you start to make that change in how you market your update, people are going to stop seeing those emails or those videos that come out as interruptions. They're going to start seeing them as improvements, things they wanted to know about. So by all means, tell everyone about your latest changes and your updates and all the hard work you've done. Just don't start it off with version 4.8967.2. Start with telling the story with why this update is going to make your life easier. The person who's reading the email, the person who's watching the video, make them care, because that's the update that they'll remember. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share and follow. Take care. See you soon. Reach out if you're having problems with your video marketing. Take care. Bye.